Wow! Welcome to Icon Project. Di ba may nakita kayong video, sumisigaw kami, everyone is excited. Those were my core groups, and then right now I'm opening my another slot for my core groups. Actually, I'm thinking like 10, 12. But right now on the webinar, in the participants, we already more than 100. So marami tayo, but it's a good problem. So the name of this project is Icon Project. So baka sa video hindi nyo lahat maintindihan, meron kaming mga sinisigaw doon, meron kaming mga terms doon na hindi nyo maintindihan, but I promise you, after mo maka-attend ng webinar tonight, this masterclass tonight, you will understand ano ba itong tinatawag natin na Icon Project at ano ba itong tinatawag natin na mga programs. Okay. So, by the way, disclaimer lang guys, this opportunity is not for everyone. This opportunity, tuturo ko itong affiliate, and ituturo ko itong IB or introducing broker. This is not for everyone. I understand this is not for everyone. So, but since you are here, just take a look at it, tingnan mo lang, and then at the end of the masterclass, if you think that you are interested and it fits with you well, and then let's work it out. Kasi I understand to be my para sa core group ko na more than 100, parang it's so heavy to handle, okay? But we can handle that because we can do all things through Christ to give us his strength, di ba? Pero what I'm trying to say is that feel free to leave the opportunity if it's not for you. It's okay. I'm fine with that. No hard feelings. I perfectly understand that hindi po ito para sa lahat. But kung ito ay para sa iyo, if you think that this is for you, huwag kang magsayang ng oras. After this one, we have a program, separate GC for you. Then we will start so that we can jumpstart this program and lahat tayo maging masaya at the end of 2025. I'll promise you guys, this is a life-changing journey. All right? Shall we start? Shall we start? Okay. If you're ready to start, can you drop number 3 if you're ready to start? If you're excited and you're ready to start, drop number 3. All right. Guys, this masterclass, pinangalanan kong Digital Wealth because I'm about to unfold to you ano yung future ng digital wealth that unlock the future to build wealth digitally. Paano ka mag-build ng wealth digitally? Imagine na access mo yung financial market that it's a trillion industry every day. Mayroon ka access dyan through the use of cell phone. And I will give you another access. Aside from the financial market, I will give you another access dun sa affiliate program and na it's part of the digital wealth that I would say this one is the most, or I would say the most disruptive, or ibig sabihin isa sa pinaka kumbaga binago ang takbo ng digital marketing because of this one. All right? So, welcome. We will talking about digital wealth. So I hope makita nyo kung ano yung nakita ko. Kasi businessmen are visionary. Businessmen are visionary. Lahat ng malalaking proyekto nagsimula yan sa vision. Lahat ng mga million nagsisimula yan sa vision. Lahat ng mga billions nagsisimula sa vision. So I hope makita nyo yun tonight kung ano yung nakita ko o ano yung nakita namin para sama-sama tayo this 2025, babayaran natin yung utang, mabago yung buhay natin, and we will travel together and as a team, and we will have a quality life together. All right? So let's start. By the way, you can open your camera. So why am I so excited this digital, guys? Why I'm so excited? Sabi ni Satya, the CEO of Microsoft, sabi niya, the future of the business is digital. So if you're looking for the future, and if you're looking for a very bright future, and if you're looking at something big in the future, sabi na the future of business is digital, and you are in this digital program, you are in this digital business, and I would like to congratulate you for being part of this digital business. Can you drop digital in the chat box if you're excited? Okay. I encourage you to be participative because the more you participate, the more mo na i-immerse yung self mo sa mga nangyayari at the more ka nag-i-enjoy, the more mo yung makikita yung opportunity. To cut the story short, the more ka yayaman. Okay? Yun naman yung goal natin dito, guys. Na magkaroon tayo ng extraordinary income because the future of business is found in digital. Guys, don't get me wrong. Traditional brick and mortar business are good. I have my own traditional business. But guys, grabe. I'm only working that for like 10%. Dito is more than 100%. Kasi dito is konti lang yung effort ko pero it's very rewarding. Malaki yung reward. On the other side of it, it's napakasakit ng ulo, guys, yung traditional yung brick and mortar business. Okay, feeling ko it's not rewarding anymore, so that's why right now I'm shifting my focus. So I asked my wife, me, you handle our resort and we'll focus on this business kasi this is something amazing. All right, so guys, tapos na, di ba? Ang actually everyone knows about crypto. There are a lot of people became millionaire in crypto, became billionaire in crypto, but right now crypto is like cryptocurrencies have created millionaires overnight and offer in innovative ways to earn. But we are in forex trading offers leverage where you can get more with a very low capital. Okay. So ito yung mga opportunities. Ito ko nakita ko, guys. Ang opportunities, guys, na sasakyan mo is parang trend lang din yan. Parang trend. Anong ibig sabihin? When I started in digital business 10 years ago, grabe. Totally changed my life. 3 months I started my digital business, I immediately bought a brand new car. Kasi that was the time na grabe yung trending about digital. So guys, ang opportunity, guys, titingnan mo yung trend. Mamaya i-explain ko sa inyo. So, ano yung opportunity? Did you know that you are in financial market? If someone is asking me, bro, what did you do for a living? Sabi ko, I'm in financial market. I trade stocks, I trade forex, and also I'm a provider of AIs and services in the financial market. So did you know that you are in a financial market, guys? Financial market, guys, is the richest market in the world. Pangalan pa lang, financial na, may pera. Hindi million yung pinag-uusapan sa financial market. It's not billion yung pinag-uusapan sa financial market. Pinag-uusapan natin dito, guys, trillion industry. No? Are you excited? Is that na-sink in na ba sa senses mo that you are in financial market? Just a tap of your phone, may access ka sa $1 trillion industry. Na yung dati kailangan mo pumunta sa Wall Street, kailangan mo maging billionaire para may access ng ganyan, but not anymore because of this digital age. Meron ka ng access in a financial market. All right? So, how do we monetize? Ito na, how do we monetize? Okay. Ibig sabihin, maybe everyone knows about monetize kasi kung nagre-reels ka, kung content creator ka, kung vlogger ka, mamomonetize ka, ibig sabihin, kikita ka na. So how we monetize? Monetize is, paano tayo kikita in a simple term? Okay, in the financial market, guys, kikita ka in trading, which is majority nandito tayo. But this is something that I'm going to introduce to you is, kikita ka also in affiliate. I'm sorry for the spelling, okay? Kikita ka also for the affiliate on being a provider in the financial market. Okay, let's do this. Let's think it this way. Okay, let's think it this way. Halimbawa, nag-put up ka ng business na bigasan. Bigasan. Sa Bisaya pa, bugasan. In your village, in your barangay. Now, mayroon kang alam na supplier na instead na magre-retail ka lang while also doing retail business, you have the chance to be a provider or to be a supplier doon sa mga kapitbahay mo or competitor mo na nagre-retail, mayroon kang chance na magsusupply sa kanila. Copy? Papayag ka ba? Papayag ka ba na magkaroon ka ng chance na instead of just being a retailer ng bigas? Papayag ka ba na kung may alam ka na ma-access supply ng bigas, magiging, instead of being retailer, magiging supplier ka rin doon sa mga competitor mo, kapitbahay mo, doon? Papayag ka ba? Can you type yes? Ipapayag ka? Are you still there? No, so that I know. Papayag ka ba? So kung papayag ka, you will have a bigger chances of earning aside from being retail now. Are you hearing this one? Aside from earning retail, you will also earning kahit maliit lang. Pero kung maraming na provide mo, you are also earning doon sa mga kapitbahay mo na nagbibigasan din na ikaw yung mag-supply sa kanila. Copy? That's the concept of affiliate. Aside sa earning nakita mo sa trading, okay? Now I'm unfolding you. Sasabihin ko sa'yo, hey bro, hey, aside from earning and trading, do you know that there are also another chance? Aside sa earning and trading, you can also earn as providing, being a provider or being a service provider sa kanila na magti-trade, kikita ka rin. So you position yourself not below, but you position yourself higher for those mga trader kasi ikaw yung nagpo-provide sa kanila. So ano yung provide natin? Provide natin AI tools, Manara, provide natin Eka, provide natin yung technology at provide natin yung information na ibibigay natin sa kanila. So yun yung affiliate. Okay? Other than that, aside sa affiliate, mayroon din tayong tinatawag na introducing broker, which is also so exciting because it will give you also a very good monetization, give you reward if you're doing affiliate program. So it's just hitting 3 birds in 1 stone. Kasi habang nagtitrade ka, by the way, you don't need a coach to be like this one. You don't need magaling ka na trader to be a provider. No. Actually, ako, pinanindigan ko lang na as the creator of the community and the founder of the community, as the leader of the community na magturo. But eventually, actually, I don't need to teach to you. Kasi mayroon namang magagaling sa economy. Kung ma-access mo lang. No? Abdallah is there, sa Eka is there, mayroon na. Hindi ko na kailangan. Actually, ang trabaho ko lang is mabigay ko lang yung trainings and tools at mag-guide ko kayo on how to start. Okay? So, yun lang yung affiliate. Kasi ang goal natin dito is mag-guide lang natin sila para makapagsimula sila at matuto sila. Okay? We don't need to be very good para makag-affiliate ka kasi may mga programs din naman tayo. Lahat kumpleto na tayo, guys. From videos, how to download, how to click, how to deposit, how to withdraw, how to buy, how to sell, kompleto na. We have already system about that. Ang gagawin mo lang is you just reach out and then the system is there. Pero I still require that at least marunong kang mag-open ng account, marunong kang mag-trade ng kahit konti, at least kung may magtatanong man sila sa'yo, you can still give an extra, tinatawag nitong extra service for them. Are you with me? Are you listening? I am making a business sense here. Because tonight we'll be talking in business, digital business. I am talking a business sense here. Okay? Can you type digital business? Okay? So that's digital business. And tonight, guys, hihimayin ko ano itong affiliate, introducing broker, why you need to get in. Guys, why you need to get in. This is so big. This is portion lang kukunin natin dito at anong posibleng mangyayari sa'yo. The good thing is that, yes, since digital, nasa bahay ka lang. Ako, nasa bukid ako ngayon. I'm in Pangantukan, Bukidnon. Nasa bukid ako. Pero nakaharap kong buong mundo, which is representing by each and every one of you because of the power of digital business. And the good thing about this one, guys, it's pandemic proof. We don't know, some says, but this is pandemic proof. In fact, mangyayari yung pandemic, mas mag-i-explode pa tayo. All right. I like this style that while I'm talking, some of you guys will like type on the chat box some of the keywords and the key terms that I'm teaching to you so that mas na-comprehend ng iba and na, kumbaga, nare-review din ng iba. Alright, let me continue. Is that okay if we will monetize 3 times? Okay lang ba sa'yo? Nakikita ka hindi lang isa, but kikita ka dalawa, affiliate and introducing broker. By the way, meron tayong Q&A mamaya, walang problema. I'll introduce Q&A mamaya. So, bakit mo kailangan? Guys, I want to be honest with you. Trading is a business. Yes, alam mo na kung paano mag-trade. Let's say alam mo na paano mag-trade because kumbaga binigay naman natin lahat yung strategies. Actually guys, yung iba hindi lang nakuha kaagad. It's a matter of kailangan ng konting time and then kailangan ng konting discipline. Pero binigay na namin, strategies are there. Sino nag-enjoy sa strategies ng live sessions natin last Saturday? Imagine, after we give that strategies, yung GC natin guys, grabe. Every 9:30 guys, puputok yan ng mga resulta. Hindi isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, ang dami nagka-resulta. Which means that the strategy is working. And that I'm so find it so amazing. Kasi kung nakuha ng 5, 10, 20, makukuha din. It means easy, madali lang siyang i-duplicate. Okay. But I want to be honest with you that this is business. Okay. Ngayon pa lang. Is it agreeable on your side, guys, that if you want to make money in this modern world right now, you need to get involved with business. Not unless you are a consultant, pero kahit na business pa rin. Okay? So in business, guys, you need bigger capital for you to earn. Please understand, actually I'm here, dito pa ako guys. Please understand na yung 100 USD natin na capital, 100 USD natin na capital, please understand, nakikita ba tayo dyan ng 100,000 a week? Yes, it could be. But the risk, the bigger risk, na yung 5,000 mo, flinip mo, just in case, it could be perfect yung trade mo. Pero kung halimbawa, isang beses lang matalo dyan, pwede kang ma-wipe out. So the only way to survive in forex trading, guys, is ganito. This is a tip, and this is a truth. To survive in forex trading, guys, you need to have a higher capital. Okay? Can you type higher capital and a lower risk? Higher capital and a lower risk. What's the purpose of your 100 USD? The goal of your 100 USD is to develop your strategy. Kasi everyone, kasi lahat nag-start pa tayo, may mga at least konting trial and error. Imagine kung nag-trial and error tayo with your 100,000 or with your 200,000 or with your 300,000. So mas malaki yung damage mo. The goal is ma-master mo sa 100,000, ma-master mo. Higher capital, guys, let's just say, meron kang, sabihin na natin na meron kang 1,000 USD na capital. So ang goal mo lang to earn per day is just 1%. Okay, 1%. Okay, after 10 days, mayroon kang 10%. So napakababa lang yung risk mo. Okay. Guys, alam mo ba kung magkano ang kapital ni Abdallah? Gusto niyo malaman? Kung magkano ang kapital ni Abdallah, kikita siya 1,000 USD per day, kikita siya. Gusto niyo malaman magkano? Ang capital ni Abdallah, guys, is ang portfolio niya, guys, is nasa around 60 to 80K. Kuya, I'm sorry na ukaw ka, na-disturb ka. 60 to natulog kasi yung brother ko.
Nakamute ka, Coach.
Okay, Coach MJ, thank you so much. Sorry guys, nasa bukid kasi digital business eh. Or anyway, at least, di ba, team kasi ito. So thank you so much, Coach MJ. I appreciate. So guys, hindi na ako magpatumpik. Ang capital guys, si Abdallah is umabot ng mga 80. 80 magkano yan? 80. 4 million yan. Kikita lang yan ng kikita lang yan si Abdallah ng around 500 to 1,000 USD per day. So magkano ang risk niya? Napakaliit yung risk niya. Following? Samantalang, Kung mayroon kang 1,000 USD na capital, gusto mong kumita ng 1,000 USD again, in one night, isang mali lang yan, ibig sabihin, di ba, every reward may risk. Isang mali lang yan, mawa-wipe out yung capital mo. Kaya, 90%, 80% na-wipe out yung capital nila kasi yung 500 USD gustong gawin na kikita also ng 500 USD. Well, that's good if 100%. Sino nakarelate? Sinong guilty? Okay. Sinong guilty? Coach, kasi hindi mo sinasabi kaagad. Okay. Baka sasabihin, okay ka lang, coach, kung mag-capital ako ng 100,000, mas lalong malaki yung damage kasi nag-start ka pa lang. Are you with me? Kaya nga, ito yung solution. The goal is to develop. Kaya hindi ako matatakot mag-trade. Kung ano mang mangyayari, guys, kasi yung trade ko, guys, kita ko yan sa affiliate at sa IB ko. So I don't, and this is the honest, hard truth about trade. The more ka natatakot ka, the more kakainin ka sa market. Nababluff ka. Okay, nababluff. Unstable internet. The more natatakot ka, the more ka nababluff. And then, yun yung isa sa mga very, very, very sa reality. So natatakot ka kasi nababluff ka. Pero kung hindi ka matakot mawalan. Doon ka mapapanalo kasi hindi ka natakot sa mga retrace. Sino dito makarelate pag mapula lang? Pula lang. 10 USD, mag-red lang. Parang maiiba na yung mood mo. Parang naiiba na yung pakiramdam mo. Sa Bisaya na guys, ang term naman naging sakang kabuhi. Naiiba na yung pakiramdam mo. Katawag na Bisaya dito. Okay. Di ba? Kasi natatakot kang mawalan. But in the business world, kung meron kang cash flow, hindi ka matatakot kasi parang extra mo na to. Ang iti-trade mo, walang problema kasi may capital ka. So in reality guys, for you to be profitable talaga, Coach Gio, by the way, malaking capital yan. 7-digit yung capital yan. Kaya kaya niyang kikita ng 100,000 a night, 200,000 a night kasi maliit lang yung percentage na kukunin niya. Okay? So the truth guys is you need, just like any other business, I think it's fair. If your business mo is like yung capital na 50,000, siguro hindi ka mag-expect na kikita yan ng 500,000 in one night or 100,000 in one night. And that's true in any other business. It's fair. Ganun talaga ang buhay. You need money to get a lot of money. That's why I'm preparing you, I'm opening you, because this might be, this is a game-changing when it comes to your trading journey. So you need capital. And besides, guys, for you to be consistent, profitable in trading, you need to be a master trader. Kailangan ma-master ka. Kailangan maging consistent yung profitability mo. So for you to master, guys, kailangan mo ng fund for you to master. For you to master in trading, dapat may fund ka. Okay, natalo ako, 100, okay. Move on. Lagay na naman, 100. May fund ka. Saan mo kukunin yung fund na yan? Kung doon ka nang nagbibigay sa, well, I'm not saying it's bad. Kung marami ka talagang pera, which is good. Pero kung mayroon kang extra, na which hindi ka mahihirapan or hindi masasacrifice yung existing cash flow mo. So napakaganda kasi hindi ka matakot na yan. Agree? Agree? Okay. If you agree with me, can you type capital or funds? If you agree with what I'm saying. So dahan-dahan kong ini-reveal, binigay sa inyo yung mga sekreto sa trading kasi hindi naman pwedeng gago ka pa lang. Bago ka pa lang. Tapos sasabihin ko, bro, kailangan mo malaking capital dito. Siyempre, di ba? Sinong gustong mag-try? Lahat na takot mag-capital kasi na-scam na. So you need to have a capital and a fund. Okay. Thank you for those who agree with me. Next slide. Okay. Now, the formula should be, don't chase on bigger return. Kasi ang tawag yan, chasing donkey. Inahabol mo yung mahirap habulin. Okay. Sa Bisaya, may kanta dyan na, anong yung term sa Bisaya na, kumbaga parang ayaw ko ng sa taong mugukod budagan. Sa to? Ayaw ko ng mugukod sa taong kusog mudagan. Ano yan, Jiel? Ha? Ha? Paano yung kanta na yan? Ayaw ko ng may ano dyan, may help me daw guys, yung mahilig sa mga love song. Ha? Parang ayaw ko nang habulin sa taong malakas tumakbo, something like that. So, don't chase donkeys. Okay, so kasi 'di ba? It's just it's a big gamble, it's a big risk on your side. Remember, our goal is to be consistent profitable. To be consistent profitable in trading is di kumuguko dia. I like that, Catherine. Oh, I see. It's from a girl. Dili ko what's that? Dili ko mugukod sa taong kusog mo dagan, something like that. So, it's chasing donkeys, mahirap. Mahirap. Okay. So, the goal, guys, is chase bigger capital. Imagine if you have 100K and then kahit 10% mo lang kukunin mo 10K. So, napakagaan. Diba? Napakagaan. Wala problema. You don't need to risk so big on your capital. You don't need to go all in every night. Because being all in is just make it or break it. Just like that. Okay, I'm a long time poker player, by the way. So I understand the all in, but it's very risky. Okay? But if you know your cards, but the financial market, you don't know the cards. It's very hard to read. Even if you know financial market, lalo na like just last night, maraming mga news. So the goal is to chase bigger capital, not bigger return. Kasi the more bigger return, low capital, the more tayong na tinatawag na may chance ng margin call, liquidity, ganyan. So, ganyan. So right now, that's the goal. Pero sino ba yung malaking capital? Hindi naman lahat. How will we do it? Siguro mayroon dito, alam ko marami kayong pera, but I still say, may epektuhan yung cash flow nyo, may epektuhan yung existing na budget nyo sa family nyo. So the goal is, at least mayroon kang add-on na pera for this one. Okay. So why affiliate? Bakit kailangan mo ng affiliate? Dito na tayo ngayon. Affiliate kasi guys, it gives you 10x or 10 times more result in trading. Sabi ko nga, affiliate, it's like nagbi-business ka ng bigasan na you're doing retail of bigas, kilo-kilo in your own barangay. At the same time, you do wholesale, ikaw pa rin yung nag-provide doon sa mga competitor mo at sa mga nearby place mo. So you have 10x more result, more winning. Are you with me? Sino dito gustong 10x? Drop 10x on the chat box. So 10x more result. So that's the reason why you might consider affiliate, guys, because it will give you longevity. Kasi di ba, first natin, yes, I know may cheat codes tayo, may training. Pero guys, imaginein mo, tanggalin natin yung cheat code, tanggalin natin group coaching, tanggalin natin yung training, tanggalin natin manaran. Napakahirap. Napakahirap. It took me 3 years to be profitable in trading. But now, yung iba, nakita ko, kahit 1 month, kahit 3 months naging profitable ka, it's still worth it. Kasi lahat ng nawala sa iyo in 3 months, isang profitable, consistent lang yan, makukuha mo lang yan in 1 day or even in one week. So kaya, affiliate also will give you longevity, kumbaga nagsusurvive ka. Kasi kahit mawalan ka ng capital, mayroon kang income na pangdagdag sa capital mo. Actually, ganito lang talaga guys. Ito lang yung goal ko. Bakit ko gustong nag-affiliate? Kasi gusto ko lang ma-master yung trading for 1 year. Imaginein mo if you are here, ma-master mo yung trading for 1 year. Mas lalo mo ma-master kasi magtuturo ka, di ba? Magiging coach ka, lalo na dito pag maging inner circle ka. Siyempre, may mga sikreto na ibibigay ko lang sa inner circle ko. So, mas may mga information nga doon lang sa mga inner circle, sa affiliate lang ng mga leaders. So, mas lalo kang naging magaling, mas lalo kang nai-immerse, and mas lalo kang nag-i-enjoy sa process kasi hindi masasaktan yung financial program mo para sa family mo kasi may add-on ka na income. So yun lang talaga yung goal ko. Bakit ako nag-affiliate? So bakit ako nag-affiliate? Yun lang talaga yung goal ko. But the way I understand it, wow, the more I get involved, nakita ko, wow, the business, the future is in digital business. Okay. Why not? Di ba? Why not? Uulitin ko. Kikita ka sa trading, nagsusurvive ka, so nagiging magaling ka. Kikita ka sa affiliate, kasi every time you provide, kikita ka. Which is mamaya, sasabihin ko sa'yo kung magkano kita. And then nakikita ka sa introducing broker, which is mamaya sasabihin ko din sa'yo. So it's just really like complement of your business. Mas nagiging magaling ka, mas nagiging pro ka because mayroon kang mayroon kang add-on na opportunity and mayroon kang add-on na experience. Okay, for you to survive in the financial market. All right, let me continue. Now, the power formula for an exclusive affiliate growth. So nasa affiliate na tayo. So I think by now you understand about affiliate kasi nag-survive pa kayo, nandito pa kayo, 120 na-survive pa kayo. Guys, 3 powerful. But before ko isa-share dyan yung 3 powerful exclusive affiliate, can I share my story? Bakit ako bumalik sa affiliate? Maybe some of you here, actually nandito may mga alam nila kung ano yung dating career ko. Okay, dati na ako nagti-trade but not 100% on trading. Actually guys, ito yung i-confess ko sa inyo tonight. Ito yung i-confess ko sa inyo tonight. I am a digital marketer for 12 years. Kung sasabihin mo, magaling ba ako mag-trade? Not so good talaga, I know. At somehow, my level, my confident. Pero kung sasabihin mo, magaling ba ako mag-market? So I'm confident with that. Yes, because I'm a digital marketing. Actually, I'm in marketing for 20 years. Kasama yung traditional na marketing ko. So nakikita ko. So what, ang story ko kasi guys, most of you alam na I closed my business, pinauwi ko yung 50 employees ko. 50 employees ko, I closed my business after magkaroon siya ng post-effects sa pandemic. So I'm looking for a business na pwede kong i-bounce back yung finances ko. Pwede kong i-bounce back yung family ko. Kasi guys, ang hirap talaga. Siguro kung galing ka na sa mahirap, okay na. Pero yung galing ka sa taas, lumagpa ka, yun yung mas mahirap kasi nasanay ka sa lifestyle mo. Actually, yung pinakamahirap dun sa akin, kasi sanay naman ako mahirap, yung paano ko explain sa mga anak ko, bakit ko bininta itong kotse, itong magandang kotse, bakit ko bininta yung bahay, bakit bininta, yun yung pinakamahirap talaga. So, naghahanap talaga ako ng opportunity. My first target actually guys is I'm looking for an affiliate program na digital yung product. I'm looking for an affiliate program with a digital product. That's my first target. Yung iba alam nila. Bakit digital? Mamaya explain ko. Bakit gusto ko yung digital product? Kasi sa digital product guys, mas mataas yung commission or mas mataas yung rebates mo kasi digital siya. So halimbawa, this is a physical product. Okay? Cellphone case. And then 500 ang bumibili nitong cellphone case, which is I sell this one in Shopify before. Okay, I have a website for this one. So kung mauubos yung 500 case, 1,000 case, I still need to replenish and bibili ako ng dun sa supplier ko sa China. But in digital product guys, 1,000, 10,000 man tayo na users, digital parang copy-paste lang yan, you don't need to purchase, kailangan mo lang i-upgrade. So ganun ka, plus ang bilis pa, you don't need to ship, nandan na link, eto na, access mo na. Diba, ang bilis lang. Yun yung advantage ng digital product. So the way I understand, since nasa marketing ako for how long, nakikita ko that if this kind of marketing program or if this kind of affiliate present sa tatlong formula na ito, masasabi ko, yes, this is destructive and this is something. Kasi matagal na ako sa digital marketing world. Matagal na ako sa affiliate program. Actually, I'm looking for the affiliate. At the same time, I'm looking for forex trading. Pero grabe si Lord, binigay sa akin, forex trading, sabi niya, bro, may kasamang affiliate. Okay, game. Kwentuhan tayo. So Zoom kami kaagad sa sponsor ko. Wala na nga yung sponsor ko. Do you know that I build this community? At first, di ba? Di ba? Wala akong direct sponsor ko na wala na. But since alam ko kung paano siya gawin, kasi matagal na ako sa affiliate world, alam ko paano gawin. So nag-tribe tayo at ngayon all over the world na tayo. So ano itong three formula na isi-share ko sa inyo? That this could be a destructive, guys. Napakalaki ito. This is something. It's just like Netflix. Mamaya i-explain ko. So number one, guys, it's the solution of the problem. Dito ka na-amaze. Bakit, guys? Mahirap aralin ang forex trading. Mahirap. Kahit nga, binigay na natin yung Manara, binigay na natin yung VIP signal, binigay na natin yung chart mastery. Actually guys, yung chart mastery hindi kasama sa package yan. Pero I developed a program, well, credit and thanks to my co-coaches who helped me with this one, Coach Engineer Greenshield, Coach Uncle Nonoy, Coach JL, Coach MJ, other coaches that who helped me to build this one. But hindi na to kasama. But saka dahilan na gusto ko maging successful tayo, gumawa ako ng program, the Chart Mastery, and another guys, itong AI natin, Wealth Builder and Wealth Gainer, it's not part of economy actually. Pero ginawa ko para maging mas maganda or parang sulit talaga. Sa halaga ganito, ganito na karami. So it's a solution of the problem. Mahirap mag-trading, mahirap paano mag-trade. So it's a solution. Mayroong training, mayroong tools, mayroong community. Okay? So, it solves. And the best part about this one, guys, hindi lang sa solution sa trading actually. Solution siya sa problema ng pera. Ano yung pinakamalaking problema ng mga Filipino nowadays? Can you type money? If you acknowledge that yun yung isa sa pinakamalaking problema that we are facing right now. Guys, the business that we have is a solution of the people that they want to make money. Kaya guys, grabe. Napakaraming nagjo-join talaga every day. Money, 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 kwarta, kwarta, kwarta. I like that. I like that. Money, money, money. So it's the solution. We are giving this the solution na paano kumita sa financial market. Napakaganda. Napakaganda. Napakagandang solution. Number 3, digital product. This is one thing that I really appreciate. Guys, you don't need to ship. Yung mga nag-try ng e-commerce dito or yung drop shipping, I know some of you heard about it. Drop shipping, you don't need to ship the product. Tapos you don't need to yung price war. Kasi di ba may TikTok na, may Shopee na, may Lazada na. So the price war is there and then may shipping pa, plus may free shipping pa, may RTS pa yan. Anong ibig sabihin yung RTS? Yung mga order na hindi nila tinanggap. Babalik yan. The healthy is 80%. Alam ko because I have a company with more than 50 people doing that. So digital product, guys, hindi pa masisira kung ipapadala mo. 10 person yung gumamit, 1,000 yung gumamit, 10,000 yung same lang. I-upgrade mo lang. You don't need to ship. Diba? So the capital, hindi mag-replenish. Yung capital is hindi ganun kalaki. So ang gagawin niyan is ibibigay. And besides, guys, everyone is doing digital nowadays. Go to your cell phone. Everything in your cell phone is digital. In fact, people that are making apps, people that are making digital products, yun yung talagang kumita ng million talaga. So eto napakaganda. Digital product lang siya. So our AI is digital product, our course is digital product. Okay? Our access is a digital product. Access to live session is a digital product. So it's digital product. Napakaganda. Hindi masisira kung isi-ship. Diba? Mahirap. Imagine niyo guys kung physical product ito at nandun ka sa UAE, nandun ka sa Canada, nandun ka sa Australia. Sa Canada siguro it take you 1 month or more para darating yung product dyan. And how much is the cost of shipping? You know guys, bakit the trainings are digital? Yes, thank you Engineer Greenshield. Guys, hindi nyo alam bakit yumaman si Bill Gates ang todo-todo. Microsoft guys is a digital product. Amazon is a digital product. Making a mall inside the digital space. Amazon. Although the end user product is really the physical product plus the system na binibuild niya for online shopping. Imagine niyo, dati wala nga lang. Sino dito dati ayaw sa online shopping? Sino dito dati ayaw mag-order sa online kasi ba matatakot mabubudol kasi 'di ba ang daming budol, 'di ba? We don't like. But right now kung mayroon kang hahanapin, TikTok, Shopee, Lazada, oh, nandito lahat. So thanks to TikTok, thanks to Lazada, nandito lahat. Digital products. Airbnb, Joyride, Grab, digital products. Guys, sabi nga ng CEO ng Microsoft, the future of business is in digital. Kaya I really like digital. I'm very looking. Actually, guys, before ako nag-get in dito, I develop a digital products. Nasa mga 20% pa lang. Guys, it's so hard. It's not easy to develop on your own. Okay? So we are done with that. And the good thing about this one, look at the demand. Look at how we are right now. We are 121. Sabi ko, Lord, pag may 20, okay na ako dyan. Diba? Mag-represent tayo. Almost every presentation, guys, nag-average siya ng 100. The special trainings natin dyan, umaabot ng 200, 258. Ang daming tao, guys. Mayroon siyang demand. Imagine if your business may demand. Kasi hindi pa ako, maliit lang tayo nagkaganito eh. Yes, maraming nag-offer ng course, pero they do have AI, they do have a pattern scanner, they don't have access to one of the expert trader in the world. Wala. They don't have swipe to trade, which is yun yung bago natin. Wala. Nakita mo yung demand talaga. So if your business talaga malaki yung demand, wow, i-maximize mo na. Kasi baka darating yung time, mas dumami pa yung competitor. Guys, sasabihin ko sa iyo, 2 years, 3 years from now, marami nang gumagaya ng ganitong klaseng system. Financial market, plus affiliate, ganyan. Pero since part tayo sa pioneering of this program, what will happen to you 2 to 3 years from now? Okay? Market demand. Grabe. Alam mo yan, kasi the moment na magpasok ka dun sa ilang GCs na ba tayo? We already have more than 15 GCs. Guys, do you know that every GC is 250? Okay. Why not Telegram? Kasi yung Filipino hindi pumupunta sa Telegram, sa GC talaga. So we always, every week, guys, gagawin natin ng panibago GC. Ganon kalakas yung demand ng product natin. To the extent na ako if I really feel that this person is not really ready for that, sasabihin ko, sir, I think you are not ready for this one. Okay? Kasi alam ko naman, this is not really for everyone. So the market. So ulitin ko, our business gives solution to the problem. It's a digital product and it's a market demand. And this combination, guys, will give us a very bullish trend in the future. Lalakas at lalakas ito kasi nagsosolve ng problema, may demand and is digital product. Kaya nga, very, very, very powerful, very timely itong affiliate marketing. Ano ba itong affiliate? It's so simple. You join the existing system, promote, and you earn. Why not make your own? Guys, making your own product, it's not easy. You need to test it for 6 months to 1 year. So after 1 year, tsaka ka pang pupromote. And not only that, with all the documentations na kailangan mo, guys, trust me, I've been there, nag-develop ng product, gumawa ng brand, it takes time. Minsan napakataas na yung in-invest mo and hindi siya nag-take off sa market kasi naiwan ka na. Diba? So it takes time. So why not pick up a very good product, pick up an amazing product, pick up a product with a demand, and then promote it, and then enjoy your earning. So that's the power of affiliate. Okay? So are you with me? So ano yung na-affiliate natin, guys? Itong program natin. Elite Prep Pro, maybe most of you alam, magkaroon ng malaking changes ng company. Actually, guys, 114 is still there. Pero what we're promoting right now, guys, is 179 at 199. And it's picking up. Anong difference ng 179 at 99? Same lang. Puro Elite Pro. Pero 199 or for emerging, for first world countries and 179 sa mga Filipino. So kung mag-enroll sila, mayroon silang option doon somewhere na hindi ko makita kasi wala sa Pilipinas. I know some of you na nag-click lang sila ng like Philippine flag, i-click lang nila. Na instead yung babayaran nila is 199, yung babayaran nila 179. It's parang may discount siya kung Pinoy ka. Di ba amazing? but the product is still there. Yung mga bonus, same lang. That every time mag-join sila because of your link, napansin nyo guys, sabihin ko, hindi ako maglalagay ng personal link ko doon sa General GC. Napansin nyo? At sasabihin namin sa inyo, please message someone who add you in this GC because we respect that person kasi mayroon siyang link. Siya yung nag-add sa inyo sa GC kasi every time na mag-enroll ka with this link, mayroon siyang kita. Mayroon siyang commission from the affiliate. Are you with me? So, magkano ba yan? Oh, by the way guys, ito pala yung product na promote natin that it gives a solution. Any one of you knows that we have a new product which is part of 179 na tinatawag na swipe to trade. Guys, this is exciting. This is will revolutionize. Because this one, if I'm not mistaken, correct me, hindi mo na kailangan ng MT5 for this one. Mayroon tayong mga master traders like sila Edris, sila Ralph, doon ito yung mga kung bumapasok ka sa masterclass, alam mo na mga master traders ito kasi nagtuturo to sa masterclass. Mayroon sila, nagbibigay sila ng mga trade ideas and signal. Ang gagawin mo lang, iswipe mo lang, pack, and then you good to go. Trade na yun. So, ganun na pinadali, pinabilis yung pag-trade. So, this is very good right now, especially for those OFW. Gusto nila kasi madali lang. Pero honestly, since it's new, hindi pa ako nakapag-try. Pero those nakapag-try, sabi nila, grabe, amazing talaga. So this is, again, a new product that will revolutionize the market. Magte-trending talaga to. 100%. Kasi it's digital, it's solution, and it's convenient, and it's easy. So magte-trending talaga to. So swipe to trade. So lahat ng nakapag 179, pwede. And then yung wala, and then goes to pwede kayo mag-upgrade for this one. Swipe to trade. Alright? Product IB almost 6K to fish. Yeah. May testimony pala dito. Sabi niya, product of IB almost 6K to fish to catch a big fish. Walang commission from Iconic. Wala pa ang commission. Hindi pa kasama daw yung commission sa Iconic. Thanks to Digital Business to Coaching. Thank you. Thank you, Ma'am Jed, for vouching me out. Ganun kaganda at nag-send pa siya ng screenshot. Sa kita niya guys, 6,000 in commission. Wow! Grabe, 6,000 in commission guys sa affiliate. Oh, wow! This is something guys na kailangan mong i-consider. Okay? Grabe. Kung mahilig ka mag-market, kung kung gusto mong mag-get into marketing, may experience na ka sa marketing dati, and then, di ba? This is something that you need to consider guys. This is something that you want to leave. You don't want to leave money on the table. This is a new product. And another product that we have, guys, we have exciting new product. Nag-rebrand pala tayo, guys. Our name now is Iconic from Economy because we rebrand. Meron tayong bagong system. Okay, and commission natin mas pinaganda. Okay, that's why it's more exciting. And then may mga bagong product. We have a new product, guys. It's called IQ Academy. IQ Academy. Nagbibigay ng mga live trading. So, hindi lang ako. Actually, pwede na kayong hindi manood sa akin. Ito na lang. Kasi ito mga certified expert talaga to. Diba? So, grabe, live trade. Syaro. Sabi saya pa, syaro, hindi mo ni makuha. Okay? At a swipe of your finger, meron nang magtuturo sa mga expert pa. So, this is new. I know someone, ngayon pa to nakita, but this is something new. Abangan nyo ito, ilalabas pa ito. IQ Academy. This will still destructive na naman ito guys. Action, guys, is stock option. Kung I want to learn more, kung hindi ko lang siya i-master yung Forex at US30 guys, dito ako stock guys. Si Jessica Ramos, kung nakita nyo sa masterclass, napakagaling magturo guys sa stock market. So you might consider this one. If you don't want volatility, stock market kasi is more on predictability. So if you don't want, kasama na ito na access mo guys, access mo na ito. Mayroon ng training, di ba? May training sa ECA about stocks. And then sa masterclass, mayroon ng training about Jessica. And then sa Solex, nakikita mo si Jessica doon nagbibigay ng trade ideas. So alternative for Forex and US30, I think this is one thing that you want to consider. Ako gusto ko to, pero hindi ko pwedeng maano lahat. Kasi I want to master in one or two. Okay? Another product that we have guys, this is also new. We have IQ Verse. So IQverse guys is more on tinatawag natin na napakataas yung win rate guys. More on hindi may kasamang Bitcoin, like more on gold and more on Bitcoin. Nagbibigay din siya ng mga live trading sessions, okay? Then nagbibigay din siya ng mga signals, okay? Mataas yung win rate nito guys, IQverse. So if you want forex at the same time crypto trading, not meme coin. When I speak about crypto, hindi siya meme coin, hindi yung nagra-rug pull, hindi yung hinihintay mo na for how many months saka magkaroon ng value, no. This is trading. Trade natin like BTC, ganyan. So, Ethereum USD, ganyan. So, ganun yung mga trade natin. So, nagbibigay sila ng mga ideas about that one. Exciting. It's still part of financial market kasi may mga tao talaga na gusto sila sa tinatawag na crypto trading. So, they can choose this one. Okay? Another, I think everyone knows that Manara, and the Manara is actually down right now because of our new website. I have good news for you. If you want to, sasabihin ko ba dito or not? I'm not sure yet. But I'm hearing, to be safe, I'm hearing na yung gusto talaga na hindi for about a week na kasi nawalang Manara because of our new website. Nag-upgrade sila. So, I am hearing that our CEO, Hassan, will be giving an extension of your subscription. That's good news. Extension of your subscription kasi hindi nyo na-access yung Manara. Grabe. 340k plus in peso guys, sideline lang sa affiliate program. Okay, and IB. Okay. So ito, everyone loves Manara. So sino yung, by the way guys, kung napansin nyo, I'm not really promoting the persons behind the company. Diba? Because the product itself is sold out na, tama. The product itself, hindi na natin, sino yung mga inventors, sino yung mga behind of this one, behind of this product, by the way guys, is Hassan Mahmoud, our CEO, Edwin Haynes, our president, and Jared Wilkins is our VP on business. So guys, our company Iconic, which is formerly 5 years na siya. Naka-base siya sa US. Our headquarters is in California and meron din tayong another back office sa Delaware. I'm not sure which sounds like Delaware. Correct me. So I'm available in multiple languages. Okay. So customers all over 100 countries na tayo guys for a very short period of time. And hindi lang tayo guys, our company guys is featured is Incorporated 500. Incorporated 5,000, Yahoo, MarketWatch, CBS, MSNBC, Forbes, guys. Actually, our CEO was featured in Forbes 2 times. Fox News, Disrupt Magazine, Influence, and all top magazines, top media, guys, na feature na tayo. Ganun siya ka-amazing. Ganun siya kaganda. Guys, kung hindi nyo napansin, actually hindi nyo alam, guys, our CEO was featured in Forbes 2 times for a very, very short period. Alam naman natin kung sino yung ma-feature sa Forbes. Either you're a billionaire or mayroon ka nagawang mabuti in the business world. So, tinitingnan nito guys is one of the most rising up CEO because sa ginawa niya sa system natin. Okay. It's not 100%. Yes, walang perfect na business. Pero kung titingnan mo guys, yung system natin guys compared before this, guys, imagine this business model not even exist 6 years, 7 years ago. This kind of business model. Pero grabe, di ba? Kaya na-feature ka agad. And guys, I have another good news for you just recently. So dito alam yung Incorporated or Inc. 5,000. Sino dito alam Inc. 5,000? Who knows? Yung dati nagbabasa ng mga business magazines. Inc. 5,000 guys is that in the US, okay, kukuha sila guys ng top 5,000 companies in the retail, anything. Retail, in any industry, agriculture, manufacturing, software, any industry. Kukuha sila ng top 5,000 in the US. Top 5,000. And then sa top 5,000 na yan, kailangan mo siya 3 years ka na sa business. So tinitingnan nila dito yung mga bagong business guys na magta-top Kasi dito papasok guys yung mga investors. Dito papasok yung mga malalaking investors. Actually, what happened guys with economy, kaya naging bago tayo magawa na yung product, something, because may pumasok guys, napaka malaking investors guys. Si gusto niyang i-explode talaga yung company natin. Guys, what happened with economy is that out of that 5,000, 5,000 kita, 5K, out of that 5,000, ang ilalagay lang nila sa website nila guys is the top 951 companies that the growth champions in the region. Ibig sabihin, grabe yung growth. Are you with me? Are you hearing? Out of 5,000 guys, ilalagay 951 lang ilalagay sa website. And this is an award na binigay nila. Hindi ito binayaran. Alam naman natin, may mga awards sa Pilipinas na, you know, pero this one is US ito guys, hindi ito binayaran. You know what happened? Guess what? Kung saan nag-top si economy. Naging top 100 ba siya? Naging top 500 ba siya? Kasi ilalagay nila dito is 951. Naging top 50 ba siya? Guys, guess what? Anong nangyari kang economy? Okay. Out of 5K companies, thank you, Janelita. Okay. 5,000 companies, 95 lang yung gagawin sa website. We're choosing as top growth, pinakamalakas, fastest growing private companies. Guys, alam nyo ba? Alam nyo ba? Just recently, just this month, I think this month, alam nyo ba guys, si economy is nag-top number 1 siya as the fastest growing company community of traders out of the top 5,000 na pinili ng Incorporated Inc., yung Inc. magazine. Wala bang palakpak dyan? Wala ba? You can search this one guys, Economy Inc. top 1. Wow! Kaya our economy guys, hindi siya basta-basta. Kung sasabihin mo company profile, matatag ba yan guys? Tinalo dito guys malalaking brand sa industry. Tinalong malalaking brand sa industry. Hindi siya mag-number 1 in the US for no reason. Yes, bakit may walang access sa Manila? Because we are building a new website. We are building a new. In fact, the way I understand, after this one, ECA will be out for quite some time, and then magiging bago na siya, nag-i-evolve kasi tayo. And that's amazing. Kasi nasa company ka na malakas, ibig sabihin, naturally, lalakas ka rin. Okay. Kaya with this company, meron din silang referral programs. Okay, referral programs. So, tayo sa company profile. So, alam na natin, guys, alam naman natin sa US, hindi basta-basta gumawa ng company. Hindi kagaya dito na bukas wala na. They are very strict with their regulatory bodies. We know na kung matagal ka na nag-trade, hindi ka basta-basta makapag-create ng a broker mo sa US because they are very strict. Very strict talaga. Okay? Kaya, please understand, kaya hindi kayo tumatanggap ng GCash, more on card, kasi US companies are more on card transactions talaga yan. So walang GCash. Pero at least may GoTime, and thank God for the GoTime and the Pimaya. So ito yung referral program guys. Are you excited? Every time guys na makapag-sponsor ka, they will enroll with your link 179 at 199 guys. Is that ito yung referral programs natin guys. So meron kang 30, actually 30 is for 149, but for 179 rather, for 179 mayroong, susulat ko na lang, mayroon kang 40 USD guys, malaki yan. Magkano yan in peso? And meron kang 50 USD sa 199. So 199. Yun yung referral. Malaki. Malaki. Kasi hindi siya digital product siya. Digital product. So kahit kung example, meron kang dalawang trade in 1 week, so meron kang 100,000 pang additional capital mo. I mean 100 USD pang additional capital mo. 'Di ba? Oh, wait. I think may okay. Thank you for the heads up. So ganun. So Ganun kaganda itong tinatawag natin na affiliate program. Guys, and not only that, we are getting exciting. Grabe, na-amaze talaga ako. Kasi, hindi lang ikaw, do you know that you are also getting a rebate or a commission under your team kung nag-affiliate din sila. Yun yung tinatawag natin na team builder. Team builder. So kung mayroon kang affiliate, nag-affiliate din, tataas yung kita mo kasi mayroon kang override commission sa kanila. This is actually ranking. And guys, hindi maliit yung binibigay nila. Napakalaki yung binibigay nila. Do you believe that they even give the maximum income is 1.1 million? Not peso, guys. Not peso. $1.1 million. Please understand that this is a US company. Hindi peso yung pinag-uusapan dito. Dollar yung pinag-uusapan dito. So just to give you a very simple illustration than this one, okay, and then this is our graph. So ito na yung mangyari. Okay. So for you to be at magko-qualify ka sa tinatawag natin na career plan or nararank ka gamit itong tinatawag natin na how do you call this one team builder. So kailangan mo lang makapag-enroll ng dalawa sa A group mo at dalawa sa B group mo. So para din siyang binary. Okay? Dalawa sa A group mo and then mayroon kang weekly income, ito 25 at mayroon kang monthly income. Okay? I just want to make it closer a little bit guys para makita niyo. Okay, so this is the closer version of it. Okay. So, hindi ito sa'yo, ito yung sponsor ng sponsor mo, influencer, magiging influencer, kanina dito yung pinag-usapan, 6 sa A group mo, 6 sa B group mo, mayroon kang monthly nga 500 USD and mayroon kang weekly na 125. Yes guys, weekly mo matatanggap yan as long as you're in this rank. Okay. Influencer 100 ka. Guys, influencer 1,000. Kikita ka ng 1,000 USD. It's like 50,000. Kailangan mo lang 18 sa A mo at 18 sa B. Not your personal. It could be the production of your team. Now, ang question, saan ako ngayon? Which part na belong ako? Guys, dito ako sa Prodigy 3K and soon to be Prodigy 6K. My sure income sa economy or sa Iconic guys is 750 per week plus my sponsor dito na ako. But I'm so close with Prodigy 6K. And guys, I will do income reveal. Okay lang ba? Income reveal or sinong gusto? Kung ayaw nyo, okay lang. But guys, gusto nyo mag-income reveal tayo? Sinong gusto mag-income reveal tayo? Sinong gustong mag-income reveal? Si Janela Goosebumps kasi I know nakikita niya. Nakikita na talaga. No, yes, it's not for everyone. I understand that, pero nakikita na. So, income reveal tayo guys, pero atin-atin lang to. Huwag niyong ipagsabi sa BIR. Hindi pa tayo ma-BIR guys kasi wala pang rules about Forex sa Pilipinas, kaya very exciting. Okay. So, hopefully magagawa nila ng rules in the future, pero wala pa guys. Kaya, tatawin natin ito. Okay. Guys, okay. But before ako mag-income reveal guys, yung next goal ko guys is Prodigy 6K. Ang sure income ko guys is 6,000 or 100 or 1,500 per week. Guys, 6,000 is like, magkano ba to? 300,000 per week. Icon 12. Eto na ngayon. Bakit kami sumisigaw ng Icon? Diba? Doon sa, bakit Icon Project? Because the goal of our team is to produce Icon. Is to produce Icon. Guys, Icon 12, guys, kailangan mo lang 300 active sa A, 300 active sa B. Ang kikitain mo, 12,000 USD. Ang weekly mo, guys, is 3,000 USD or 170,000. Ito lang kaliit. Active ito, active. 300 active. Icon 24, which is my target this year, 600, guys, alam ko maraming nag-network dito. Maliit lang to. 600 sa A, 600 sa B, 24,000 or more than 1 million na ito guys. 600. I think nasa mga 3.6 na 3.6 nasa mga 1.3 million ka na dito. Okay. Help me. You can type in the chat box. Icon 60, 156,000. Icon 120. Ang pinakalas dito guys is the Legion. Yung Legion is 1.1 million. Following? Kasi bakit napakaganda yung compensation? Kasi nga digital product siya. Digital product siya. I know some are getting this one. Guys, I know this is get. Coach, bakit ngayon lang ito ibibigay? Hindi ko ito ibibigay kung hindi ma-appreciate. Ito ng klaseng compensation plan na ibibigay ko lang kapag ka-member na. Kasi hindi rin ma-appreciate. Kasi I want everyone to focus on forex trading so that they will not disturb. Okay? But if you want to focus on forex trading, and if you don't do this one, it's okay. Perfectly fine. I perfectly understand. We still focus. We still want you to be successful in forex trading. But this is just like another side hustle lang naman. Okay? So, mayroon ba nakakuha ng mga icon here? As a matter of fact, as we speak right now, this is what happened in Dubai. In our team itself sa Superhuman, with Mentor Sunny, our team itself sa Superhuman, ina-award ang more than 100 ka mga awardees sa Dubai right now, and this is the video as we speak.
Oh, medyo ano pa guys.
I was invited. I was an awardee for Prodigy 3K. Pero hindi ako pumunta. Kasi gusto ko pumunta ako last year. Marami na tayo. Isang grupo tayo. Okay, isang grupo tayo. So that's as we speak, guys. As we speak. So ito na yung income reveal. I'm still good. My internet is still good. I would like to know. If the internet is still good, can you type dollar? If my internet is still good. Kasi nasa bukid doon tayo. Wala kasi ako sa bahay. But I think it can sustain.
Orders yan sa GNT. And he even has a franchise of GNT in Cagayan de Oro. So, ganun po yung background ni Coach Nars. Bago nyo, baka lang, parang di niya yan nasi-share sa inyo. But also, no, estudyante lang po ako, Coach. Yes, we are the same, no? Student lang din ako ni Coach Nars dati. So, nung inintroduce niya sa akin to, I believe andito na si Coach Nars. Coach, yan.
Ajay, go ahead. I like hearing that.
Yeah, so moving forward, pinakita niya sa akin to. Actually, I'm a firm believer of Forex. Pero, yun nga lang, on and off din yung relationship ko. And I'm just really grateful kasi talagang somehow, no? Somehow talagang pinakita niya sa akin to. But he'll continue. Maybe I'll share my story later on kasi I have the time. So go on, Coach.
Would you like to give me back the
sure
the
post? Okay, Coach. Dalawa
so,
yung ano mo, Coach. Ito, either ba sa dalawa? Ito na lang isa. Okay.
Okay, thank
there you go.
But guys, actually, thank God for MJ. Dito kasi nasa bukid doon kasi ako, and then kaya medyo mahina yung signal ko. But since nag-start na rin si Coach MJ, baka pwede nating pakinggan ano yung nakita niya sa opportunity at bakit siya hindi lang nag-trade, bakit siya nag-affiliate, guys. Coach MJ, guys, a very short period of time, nag 7-digit na yan, guys. I mean, almost 7-digit, 6-digit rather, sa pag-affiliate na. Ano yung nakita niya? Baka pwede natin siyang tanungin kung ano yung nakita niya. Bakit siya, before ko i-continue yung income reveal ko. Coach MJ, baka gusto mo magpatuloy.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Coach. Sige, pagpatuloy ko na lang. Is it okay ma-spotlight niyo po ako? Ayan, para makita din ng karamihan. Ayan, there you go. Thank you, Coach. Going back, guys, yun nga, I'm an entrepreneur kasi dito sa Iligan. So ever since I graduated, di na talaga ako kumuha ng TOR ko. All the way I do business, no? So talagang madiskarte lang sa buhay. Yun lang yung talagang puhunan ko sa buhay. But I graduated sa Iligan, sa MSU IIT as information technology yung natapos ko. So anyways, nung pinakita to ni Coach Nar sa akin, I believe last September. So that time, I was really skeptical. Sabi ko, para dito na naman tayo. I thought yung tipong, 'di ba, yung mina-mindset ako or parang binubudol ako when it comes to opportunities, and I'm really tired kasi marami na po akong negosyo right na. I mean, side hustle, no? So, sabi ko, I'm not really onto this kasi yung mindset ko lang talaga is I'm a firm believer of Forex. Though na-scam ako lang beses, but I know its capacity, I know its earning capability. So, my mindset was gagalingan ko sa negosyo ko kasi may kakilala ako na sobrang galing din sa forex trading, no, very close to my heart, no. Siya yung ipapa-trade ko na lang. Yun na lang yung goal ko sana in life, na sa sobrang daming pera ko, I let money work for me. Iba na ng tao magte-trade para sa akin. Yun talaga yung pinaka-end goal ko sana. However, when he introduced this, I was very skeptical. So, I was talking to my partner kasi at that time may offer din ako kay Coach Nars na another venture din. So, parang nag-exchange kami that time. So when my partner si Marge, sabi niya sa akin, why not consider that one? Kasi mas maganda, may product, may education kang makukuha. Unlike dito, parang skeptical din ako. So sabi ko, pero nag-iisip ako, I didn't really expect na I will come to this point, no? Kasi at that time, alam nyo ba guys, sinabihan ko lang talaga yung girlfriend ko na um, pwede ba akong umutang sa credit card? Credit card lang talaga guys ang naging puhunan ko dito. Kasi I didn't want to, I mean, may pera ako pero di ko kayang ibigay yung pera ko at the moment na, I mean, as negosyante. So, ibang pera. So, I let money work for me again. Nangutang ako sa credit card, sabi ko sa girlfriend ko, pautangin mo muna ako sa credit card, I'll swipe it out and then I'll see what I can do, no? Hindi ko sasayangin, babayaran ko 'yan. So what happened, I just tested and then hindi ko pa naiintindihan yung affiliate. Baka may iba dito na iintindihan kita kung sinasabi mo na ano kaya tong pinagsasabi ni Coach Nars. I feel you kasi in the first place, hindi talaga, parang hindi ko siya pinansin. I was really looking forward on the academy, tiningnan ko kasi alam ko guys, dito sa Philippines, share ko na lang kung anong pangalan. I've tried attending Learn to Trade. So may big event sila tapos the next time you'll attend may yung 80,000 to around 400,000 na if I'm not mistaken, kung tama lang ako basta 80,000 yung minimum just to be there in Manila and study forex trading. So sabi ko sobrang mahal, no, and hindi din ako magaling sa math or mga ganito. So why not eto na lang. So to cut the long story short, yung pag-affiliate tinry ko. Unti-unti, no, unti-unti lang talaga, as in parang sige nga, try ko lang mag-Facebook. Basta may strategy mamaya si Coach Nars na i-share sa inyo. Try ko lang paunti-unti. Alam nyo, I am really amazed how people would love to know about forex trading, especially mga Pinoy. As in, sobrang na-amaze ako na maraming Pinoy na gustong matuto sa forex trading. And it so happen, hindi lang talaga siya available to us. Kaya it's really unfair, no, na sinasabi natin it's the language of the rich. It's the language of the rich, guys. Oh, sabi dito, ayan guys, di ko kilala yan si Sir Jerry, pero 78K in 3 days. My God. So when I saw this academy, sabi ko, sige nga, ano lang, magkano lang dati nga, yung close friend ko, nagbenta siya ng course niya din, 5,000, videos lang din. Hindi pa siya talagang at that time, hindi pa siya yung tipong sobrang expert, okay? So again, to cut the long story short, nung nakita ko siya, sige, try lang. It was just last March that I really told myself, sige nga, mas effortan ko pa. Kasi yung na-meet ko si Coach Gio, sobrang na in love ako sa trading style ni Abdallah. It was the make or break at that time for me. Kasi sabi ko, kung kaya ko mag-Abdallah na hindi ako magaling na trader, as in, siguro I've studied a lot pero I cannot say na magaling akong trader. You know what, yung kay Abdallah pa lang, grabe, parang end of story na. So at that time, from March, share ko lang sa inyo guys, from March, kasi October ako nag-start, 'di ba? Nung March, doon na talaga ako, sabi ko, sige, try ko nga, effortan ko nga, talagang by heart ko gagawin, no? You know what guys, para not to ano lang baka sabihin niyo sa akin nagmamayabang ako. This is just for me to share, and at least pakita ko lang sa inyo for March alone. Yung iba dito baka makita yung pangalan niyo, guys.
Exciting
Pakita ko. Sorry medyo kasi ako I've learned my lesson when it comes to money handling. So this time I'm a bit wise when it comes to finances. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Yung gross income ko last March was kinumpute ko talaga yan. May resibo ako was around 196,060. Affiliate lang yan alone. So almost 200,000. And I was really amazed kasi dati sinasabi ni Coach Nars na MJ, totoo talaga maraming interested at maraming matututo ganyan. Ito pa guys, additional. Would you believe last March there are around I have 40 enrollees or affiliate. Nag-enroll on my affiliate lang around 40 sa akin pa lang mismo yan. 40 in 1 month time. 40. Lahat yan guys hindi yan it's all recorded at the moment as we speak. For enrollees sa April, I have 19 already. Okay? So, okay. Sa IB alone, ngayon kasi kahapon yung last, 'di ba? Both IB for my light finance and VT was around 17,000 pesos. So, guys, that is not for me na magmayabang ako, but what I want you to understand, basic lang ang concept ng affiliate. Ito, sample. Type nyo dyan sa comment kung ano yung product na gusto nyo. Ano yung product na gusto nyo? I mean, what is something that you really love about pagkain? Ano yung favorite food nyo? Ano yung favorite food nyo? Type nyo dyan sa comment section. Okay lang ba? Comment nyo dyan sa Japanese food. Thank you, Sir David. Amaze Kitchen. Wow, that's great. Cake. Okay. Now, wala na sir kasi low carb na seafoods. Okay. Let's just say, for example, you have a fried chicken na talagang gustong-gusto mo. O pangalanan na lang nating Jollibee, no? Or any food, no? Na talagang gusto mo na niluluto ng certain restaurant na to or certain karinderya na to. And you love the food so much that you wanted to share it or at least sell it to other people as well kasi gustong-gusto mo And the point is, sa sobrang gusto mo, shinare mo, kumita ka pa doon. So that's an extra bonus pa. So iyan yung nangyari sa akin. Parang you're hitting 3 birds in 1 stone na nakitaan ko ng potential itong academy. It's basically like a school, no? Kung mayroon kang nagandang eskwelahan, DLSU, UP, Ateneo, nasa Ateneo ka na, tapos sasabihin ng Ateneo or DLSU, kung meron kang mapapa-enroll sa eskwelahan na to, bibigyan kita ng bonus. You get a discount from your enrollment or you get siguro 2,000 pesos from every referral na napapasok mo as enrollee dito sa school ko. It's basically the same thing. At the same time, yung third part, yung sa rebates na part which is sa IB, 'di ba? Sabi ko grabe si Ma'am Jedalyn, 300 plus thousand IB lang, my God. Lang, spare change lang yung 17,000 ko 1 week. Last week I got around 15,000. Wala akong ginawa doon, guys That's the IB, that's the introducing broker. Rebates mo yon. While they do trading as well, you get rebates, okay? So, para lang siyang guys, habang bumibili sila pa ulit-ulit ng product na fried chicken or yung gusto mong product, meron pang royalties na binibigay sa'yo during habang bumibili sila or dito habang nagtitrade sila. So, ganun lang. 3 birds in 1 stone. You love the product? Question. Marami ka bang kilala na gustong matuto din? I mean, eto, another question. Do you love our community? Do you love our academy? Gusto mo ba si Manara? Gusto mo ba si Abdallah? Gusto mo ba si lahat, 'di ba? Yung lahat kung anong meron tayo. I mean, what's wrong with sharing it and earning from it as well? At the same time, you get a passive income if they know or they learn how to trade later on kasi may rebates ka pa doon. So ganun lang yung ka-basic yung concept. So sabi ko, why not? 'Di ba? Kasi gustong-gusto ko yung academy. the least thing na mangyari, eto yung mission ko na lang is wala ng Pinoy na maloloko dahil sa mga scammers na ginagamit ang forex trading. That's my mission. Na at least ma-educate sila through our community, through our academy. At least, di ba, instead of losing 200,000, 300,000, 1 million pesos, magbayad ka na lang ng 11,000, matututo ka pa at hindi ka na, di ba, hindi ka na maloloko ng kung sino-sino kasi ikaw personally, yung investment mo is the learnings. And the best part, you know what? The best part, I can even share to the people I love. Yung high-paying skills ko, I would love to share this sa partner ko right now, sa kapatid ko, sa kapatid ng partner ko. Imagine, your generations to come will thank you because you started yourself na matuto kang mag-trade ng forex. Bakit ko nasabi yan? Tingnan niyo yung mga YouTube videos ni Small Laude. They're very rich, right? But you can see his kids and his husband while they're traveling, they're also trading. I would love that to see on my family. Na even sa mga apo ko, papasalamatan nila na merong nag-break ng generation, 'di ba? Kasi mga mayaman right now, guys, if you know that, mga sa Indaran, 'di ba, yung mga mayaman na mga schools right now, they have courses on crypto. If you know lang grabe sila. And one day, no, yun yung pinaka-goal ko na I will leave a legacy to my family because I started forex trading. And thanks to this community. All right? So, maraming salamat kay Coach Nars for introducing this to me. So, I believe parang napataas ko ng sharing ko. Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Coach. Maraming salamat. Glory to God. No? Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, sa blessing na to.
MJ, guys, imagine, ganun kadali yung 40 katao na pumasok. Ganun lang siya kadali actually, guys. I never seen, guys, an affiliate marketing na yung parang 10 enrolls in 1 week sa amin is parang normal na lang siya. So imagine so kung gano'n siya kadali. Pero guys, tatapusin pa natin yung income reveal para medyo nabitin naman tayo dito sa income reveal section na ito. So ito na, guys, yung income reveal ko. I started, siguro most of you na alam kung I started on August. So in my second or third month, guys, sabi ko kung mabubuhay yung family ko dito, so magpo-focus ako. So ito yung September ko sa affiliate to, guys, sa affiliate at saka 'di ba yung ang affiliate kasi yung ranking mo or yung team builder mo na bonus at saka yung direct is parang direct sponsor mo na term sa iba or fast track sa atin, yung 50 USD including, ito yung time na around mga 70 to 80,000, 70,000 na isang month ko. Sabi ko, pwede na mabuhay yung family ko because that was the time yung cost of living namin is nasa 70,000 na pinakatipid na talaga na cost of living namin. Sabi ko, pwede na mabuhay yung family ko dito. Sino mabibigay ng sahod na 70,000 na nasa bahay lang ako and that all the time nagtatrabaho. So, and then meron akong time sa family ko. Sabi ko, sino magbibigay? Well, at pagdating ng this is October. So if you compute it, so nasa mga around 3,000 if I'm not mistaken. So nag-ano na ako sa nag times 2 or nag 3 digit na ako in one in sabi ko, wow, this is something big para to iba to talaga kasi ang dami talagang nagjo-join, ang daming interested. So ito na. So sabi ko, this is something. So ito na nag-start na akong mag-save. So hanggang to fast track everything, hanggang medyo mahina yung internet natin. So hanggang, okay, actually dito, mayroon yun dito. So hanggang dahan-dahan nag 20 sa isang buwan. 20 hanggang dahan-dahan ito. Actually this one is 901 hanggang umabot ako ng 2,000 in 1 week, guys. 2,000 USD in 1 week. 2,000 USD in 1 week because of affiliate. So kahit magti-trade ako, if I risk 1,000 for that in 1 week, hindi ako. Ang kumbaga, no problem with me. Okay, no problem with me. So pinakita lang namin kung ano yung mangyayari sa amin kasi itong mangyayari sa amin, ganoon din yung mangyayari sa inyo. Guys, did I forget to mention that last December, kumuha kami ng isang brand new Montero na nakaparking ngayon sa labas because 100% binayaran namin sa forex trade. Kaya sinasabi ko talaga, mababago talaga yung buhay mo. This is not to brag because I have cars before and good cars like this one, guys. Pero galing ka sa financial crisis, nawalan ka ng kotse, and now you're starting to bounce back with yourself with this opportunity. So thank God for that. Again, it's not to brag, but this year I'm planning to buy another. So plus meron pa akong bonus. Who wants bonus? Okay. Konti na lang yung time natin, but it's okay. Yung if you can leave, if you're busy, but alam natin yung motto na kasi datin dito, matira mayaman. So natira pa kayo, so ibig sabihin maging mayaman kayo. Ang extra bonus ko guys is the IB. Okay. Iba yung affiliate na ibibigay sa'yo. Don't worry guys, mayroong video ito recorded. Hopefully hindi naka-issue because of the my signal. But si VT Markets kasi one of the top trader in Europe. One of the top broker in Europe and one of the top broker in Australia. Actually, 4 countries ito sila na nag-top. So, ibig sabihin guys, si IB, ang ibig sabihin kasi ni IB guys is introducing broker. Introduce mo si VT Market sa kanila. Kapag part ka ng core group ko, bibigyan kita ng chance na magiging IB rin. So, mayroon kang link sa VT Markets. Pero guys, may requirement ito. Guys, may requirement. Kailangan mo maging influencer 1,000 for this one. Influencer 1,000, like around 41 month lang ang MJ to. Around 18 sa A, 18 sa B, and then bibigyan kita activate yung ano mo. Ibig sabihin niyo guys, kung sino yung mga taong nag-join under sa grupo mo, so mayroon kang kita din doon, bibigyan ka ng rebates. Okay, so now income reveal din sa VT Markets, hindi kasama sa Light Finance. Si VT Markets alone guys, this is this week from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Kanina ito na screenshot kasi even Saturday, yung result kagabi, pero nakangkita. So ibig sabihin guys, ang ibig sabihin nito guys is since binigyan ko ng client si VT Markets and maraming nagtitrade kay VT Markets, okay, so bibigyan niya ako ng rebates as bonus kasi nagbigay ako ng client sa kanya. Some sort of thing. Ang computation dyan is per lot size yung computation. Pero since marami na kasing nag-join under sa my organizations, napakarami na talaga. So ito guys is wala na akong ginagawa nito. Wala na akong ginagawa. Given lang ito na syempre kailangan mo mag-open ng account kasi you need broker naman. So dito na ako magre-recommend kasi but before guys hindi talaga ako nag-IB kang VT Markets. Nagustuhan ko lang si VT Markets kasi lahat ng broker na promote kasi eto I've been to XM, XNES, FBS, of course, like Finance and XS, marami. Okay, before XS talaga. So, and like Finance. Pero nagustuhan ko kasi kay VT Markets is user-friendly. Yung interface niya, kung new ka, sila yung pinaka. Di siyempre ako, nag-build ako ng community para matuto ka. Kung bibigay kita ng mahirap na broker, mahirap mag-start. So mas lalo maguguluhan ka. So binigay ko yung CVT Markets, which is the spread, especially in US 30 is so perfect. So this is perfect for our strategies in our live trading sessions. 9 p.m. grabe guys, almost zero yung spread nila talaga. So napakaliit yung spread nila. And guys, amazing. Ang withdrawal dito guys, instant. Instant papasok sa GCash mo, instant papasok sa bangko mo. So ganun katindi itong broker na ito. So since nagustuhan ko din yung product, yung service nila, so nag-ano na lang ako, nag-introduce na lang ako. Guys, this is passive. Wala na akong ginagawa. 4,950 this in 1 month, guys. Kita niyo kung date. March 12, kasi tinanggal ko yung backtrack 30 days ago. So nag-backtrack ako. So ito yung 1 month ko, almost 5K. So do the math. I think 280. Almost 300,000 guys. This is a very life-changing business. Parang nakakaayak kung paano binago, galing sa hirap. So, itong affiliate mastermind natin guys, gusto ko lang makita yung anong opportunity na nakita ko at gusto ko rin ibigay sa inyo itong nakita ko para ito din yung mangyayari sa inyo. Nasa sayo na lang talaga, guys. Nasa sayo na lang talaga. Excuse me. Kung gusto, kasi guys, tuturuan naman kita. So how do you do it? This is my secret. Just 15 minutes na lang, guys, and we're done. Meron din kasi akong secret sauce kasi hindi siya basta-basta kasi baka paano ako mag-market dyan, wala akong alam, hindi ako magaling. So meron akong secret sauce guys sa community na ituturo ko rin. Meron akong tinatawag guys na attraction marketing, which is most of you, 99% sa inyo is the result for this one. Hindi naman tayo kakilala, di ba? Siguro ang kakilala ko lang dito is si MJ Lim, si Mike Lim, which is an architect, Mike, and si Coach JL. Sila lang, tatlo lang. So out of 1,000 katao. So, pero because of the attraction marketing na ginagawa ko, na ituturo ko sa team natin, kung nakikita nyo guys sa buong iconic community, yung nagtatap dyan palagi is team natin every week. So si Coach Jimmy, Coach David, nagtatap yan, Coach JL, Coach MJ, Coach Marge, at ako, kami yung nagtatap dyan. Kami yung nagtatap palagi because of this strategy na binigay namin, madali lang. So this strategy guys is para kang mayroon kang advertising agency. Guys, please remember that in any business, marketing is very important kasi sa marketing kasi yung pumapasok ng sales. And before this one, before ako dito nag-serious talaga itong sa Forex bumalik, meron akong advertising agency. So I owned an advertising agency to help yung mga businesses na paano i-promote yung product nila sa online. So this is what I do. This is my trade secret. I do Facebook ads. So, yung part of my team, tinuturuan ko kung medyo nahirapan talaga ay set up. This is for free. Nasa doon sa core group ko na para mabilis yung ano. So, most of you kayo yung nag-inquire, hindi kami yung nag-inquire. And then, what's the conversion, guys? So, after you inquire dito sa Facebook ads natin, so, by the way, ito pala yung attraction marketing. Dalawa yan, Facebook ads and content creation. You can also do content creation if marami ka ng community, marami ka ng followers under your niche. And guys, hindi rin ito madali guys because you need to edit every day, you need to make content every day. Good example for this one guys is si Lady Denily. Lady Denily is earning pinakamaliit 1 million every month. 1 to 3 million every month in affiliates and IB and in trading. So, kasi may community na siya. So paano kung wala pa tayong community, paano? So we build a community. So this is what I do para mabilis. Hindi ko kailangan mag-monetize ka Facebook, hindi kailangan ganun karami yung followers ko. So just to shortcut everything with the Facebook ads. So this is what we do guys. From the Facebook ads, mag-inquire sila sa Facebook page, which is kayo. Nag-attend kayo ng webinar, Introduction to Forex and Cheat Codes. Nag-join kayo sa GC. And then sa GC, since sa dami ng result at nagustuhan kayo, nag-enrolled kayo. So as simple as that na itinuturo ko itong affiliate strategy na framework that guys, take note, wala ito sa ibang community. Okay, this is only in our community if you mayroon tong extra charge kasi 'di ba, business naman ito. So mayroon kang advertising cost about this one. Patay kasi it's not for everyone. Pero guys, imagine, ganun kaganda yung kitaan. So i-compute mo guys, itong result ko, itong IB, okay, dito lang para mas mabilis. Itong IB ko for 1 month, and then itong weekly ko sa economy, is it worth doing? Itong weekly ko sa economy, this is weekly kasi yung ano dito guys, payout ng commission kay Iconic or economy. So plus ito yung weekly ko sa IB. So magkano lahat yan? You do the math. You do the math. So yan, ituturo ko yan at maging ganun din mangyayari sa inyo. So because of this one, maraming tao nag-inquire. Since maraming nag-inquire, mayroon siya parang funnel. Explain ko to further. So this is another example of the ads that we run. And this is my page, guys. The goal, guys, is ito na final. The goal, guys, is to, what's the goal? The goal, guys, is to market worldwide. Market worldwide. Nakita niyo naman sa atin ngayon, di ba? Marami na tayo. Canada, Australia, di ba? Every market worldwide. Somehow initially successful. But guys, Forex is not limited for Filipino. Imaginein mo, kung may mga taong pumapasok dyan, which is meron na pumasok sa atin na Australian, Okay? So, imaginein mo under your community kasi Forex is hindi lang siya limited sa mga Filipino. Kahit mga foreigners gusto din nila. So, imagine niyo our team is building this one to market worldwide. So, kaya it's very possible na itong mga commissions na pagiging icon is mangyayari sa'yo. Mangyayari sa'yo. Ito na lang, I wish I could give you Coach Jimmy but the time is running. Maybe some other time na lang with Coach Jimmy. But guys, ito na yung closing ko. Remember, sa business guys, mayroong gumagawa ng breakthrough. The business, mayroong gumagawa ng evolution, which is tayo gumagawa tayo ng evolution. Sinong nag-isip, whom thought that Netflix guys, because of Netflix, maraming sinihan yung masasara. And this is a new concept that dahan-dahan na yung mga tao because of subscription. Take note, subscription tayo. Sinong nag-akala na itong very simple business model na Netflix, maraming mga sinihan yung nagsasara because na-change niya yung evolution ng business. Sinong mag-thought na si Uber or si Grab, yung taxi business niya all over the world, wala man lang siyang isang taxi? Sinong nag-thought guys na si Amazon, siya yung unang nag-break sa online selling na dati ayaw nating bumili sa online kasi matatakot tayo na budol, but eventually right now kung mayroon tayong gusto, hanapin natin sa online. And we became the richest man in the world before Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos. Airbnb, it's an hotel business, wala man lang siyang isang hotel business. Tinder, okay, Tinder, it's a dating app. Okay, guys, what's the common ground for this one? System and digital business. Sinong umakala kang iconic na daming gustong mag-join kasi daming gustong matuto ng trading na 6 years ago this business even not even exist. Pero you're part of this one. Nandito ka. Naging part ka. Guys, eto I guaranteed you, as long as you hold on and you will be part of my team, lahat yung mga secret sauce ko, ibibigay ko lahat sa'yo. In fact, this end of May and June, I'm planning to have a bootcamp or a mastermind again, face-to-face. So you happen to be, if you're OFW, nakauwi ka sa Pilipinas, make sure to visit me in Cagayan de Oro. So we will have a bootcamp, an exciting event para sa mga new affiliates and old affiliates na rin na gustong mag-join. So kung it's okay kung nasa Cebu ka, kung nasa Manila ka, you can fly for 3,000 pesos. At ito naman kaganda, yung makukuha mong business and return, gagawa tayo ng bagong mastermind or bootcamp guys. End of May or first week of June. At lahat guys, I know hindi nyo ito makukuha lahat, I know. But at least somehow may idea kayo in how we do this one. So naging transparent naman ako sa community. I let everyone know that somehow mayroon din akong konti. Sinabi ko lang na konti kasi pag sinabi ng malaki, baka magagalit sila. Alam mo naman, yung iba, di ba? Pero guys, hindi talaga konti, guys. This business, guys, is it a game changing. Nabago yung family ko, nabago yung takbo ng financial market namin, and this even summer, guys, katatapos lang ng end of school ng mga bata last Friday, and after that, nag-travel naman. Then we're traveling a lot. So, yun lang yung cost of So, maybe I'm planning to buy Starlink na para walang issue. But guys, ang question ko sa inyo, okay na ito, binigay ko na sa iyo. Ang question ko sa inyo is that, do you want to be part of this iconic community? Do you want to be part of this disruptive business, guys, that I will guarantee, guys, this is financial market. This is financial market that we are talking about. Magiging provider ka, tuloy-tuloy yung kita mo. Guys, ang tanong ko sa iyo, who wants to be part of this affiliate program? Guys, alam mo magkano cost nito? This will cost you $29 to upgrade. Only $29, guys. May subscription dyan doon. Ask your coach if you're serious about this one, because we already prepared a GC for you if you want to pursue, if you want to continue, if you want to explore. How much will it cost you? It will only cost you 29 USD. 29, 1,005. And then yung renewal nito guys is only 15 USD subscription. Okay, on top of your regular subscription. So message your coach. If your coach is me, if your coach is MJ, Uncle Nonoy, Engineer Greenchill, Engineer Angel, Star, sino pa ang the rest of the Coach JL, Coach Jimmy, Coach David, Coach Michelle, sila guys, tanungin mo sila kung paano I will add you dun sa GC so that I can guide you and will give you some of the information kasama na yung recording ng webinar natin. Guys, actually marami akong prepared na mag-testimony sana but we don't have ample time for that. Nakuha na natin yung 2 hours. Guys, if you are interested about this one, join the webinar. Hindi, mag-message kayo doon sa sa costing nyo, di ba? Join the webinar. Guys, gabi, amazing. Nandito pa yung 100 plus. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, matira dyan 50, okay lang ako kasi I understand. Hindi lahat gusto nila yung marketing, hindi lahat gusto nila mga ganito and blah, blah, blah. Guys, I totally understand it's not for everyone. But if you're really serious about this one and you are inspired with the initial result, guys, anong sasabihin ko sa iyo? Initial result. Bakit? Ang goal namin, guys, is gagawa kami ng icon sa community. I was invited and awarded to Dubai right now pero hindi ko pumunta. Sabi ko next year na ako kasi gusto ko marami tayo dyan pupunta. So ito yung goal natin guys, icon. Everyone. One step na ako para magiging icon. So and then next step kayo na guys. Kayo, gusto ko marami tayo maging icon kasi this is a like pioneer in the business guys. I never been excited doing this one. Actually, before this event, napakasakit yung ngipin ko talaga guys. Parang umaabot dito but there's no excuses kasi mas umaapaw pa yung excitement ko. I want to give this to you guys kasi I know nandito sa loob na ito, nandito yung mga next icon ng iconic. Nandito sa loob nito, nandito yung mga next kumikita ng 6 digit in 1 week guys. Uulitin ko, if you're interested to be part of our affiliate program, thank you for joining. Feel free to leave kasi I know that meron kang work. But if you're interested to be part, i-message mo kung saan ka naka-assigned na coaches. I-message mo sila that you're interested so that they will add you in the GC. And then those GC, magbibigay kami ng information para sa inyo. With that, uulitin ko, sasabihin ko sa inyo guys, this is an answered prayer for me. And I pray that this also an opportunity. I know matagal na kayo nag-pray, makabayad ng utang, lumaki yung kita, mabago yung buhay. Guys, this is an answered prayer for me. Last year, March, hindi man lang namin nabayaran yung tuition ng mga anak namin. Umiyak ang misis ko because I asked her rather, na doon maghingi ng sa school para maka-exam yung mga bata. Hindi man namin nabayaran. Pero guys, before pa nag-exam this year, 3 months ago pa, finally paid na namin yung bayad namin sa school, tapos finally paid namin yung utang namin dun sa kabilang school. Guys, this is an answered prayer for me and to my family. And I pray that this is also an answered prayer for you. Thank you everyone. God bless. Send your coach a message and see you on the different GC. Iconic new affiliate GC. God bless everyone.